How do you add a weather checkbox? I like to say what the weather conditions are at the time of the inspection. I like to put that as the first thing that I put in my report and people view in my report. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's fully customized in our software and it works on a mobile device. I'm in my laptop and I open up a report inspection, an inspection report, and it's based upon a template, my full home inspection template. And then let's pretend it's empty. What I'm doing is I'm customizing essentially my report, my template, and I'm going to use whatever juicy things I add in there. They're totally customized according to what I need. I'm going to save it as a new template, and then every home inspection that comes in is going to use that new template. Okay, here's how you add a weather checkbox, so you can just check off whether it's sunny or rainy or whatever. You go to a system. I have inspection details. Okay, so you can change it to whatever you want. I have a system called inspection detail, and then I'm going to add a comment. I'm going to add a comment under general inspection info. And I'm going to create a checkbox. This is my weather checkbox, and we're going to call it weather conditions at time of inspection. And then I'm going to add the weather conditions, sunny, rainy, raining, snow, I don't know, humid. Okay, do whatever you want. Create the checkbox group. There it is. At the time of the inspection, I'm using my report builder, and I'm going to just click, oh, it was sunny today. You know, that's the weather conditions, or maybe it's sunny and humid. Now, what does it look like on a report? Well, we're going to click preview, and we're going to look at the inspection report, and it's the same as the online view, so the mobile view. So click preview, and then let's take a look at the inspection report. And I think I have to like let me squeeze this down. And it's going to be, what was it? Inspection detail, right? So let's go here, click inspection detail. We bump down, and there it is, general inspection info, right? This is a disclosure, and this is a little paragraph about the inspection details. So you could have a little disclosure statement if you wanted to. Let me show you that in another video. But here's the general inspection info. It was sunny and humid today. And that's an easy way for you to add any kind of checkbox, a weather checkbox. Maybe it's a type of heating system checkbox. Maybe it's a checklist of types of exterior siding. You can add this checkbox anywhere in the report. I added the weather checkbox under inspection detail, and so that people understand what the weather is like. This inspection software is totally customized to whatever you need.